This short video got a VW POLO and we got a Missfire and number 3 cylinder, so we expect it's coil, faulty coil. Okay, we scanned the computer there and got a cylinder there, Missfire and number 3 cylinder. So our next step, we'll change the number 3 coil and we'll give it a wee go. Okay, we disconnected the plug there. Now I'll just lift up the coil. So we'll replace the coil here and clear the codes, and then we'll give it a wee test run. And that's our next step. Okay, we've got our new Bosch injector. We'll pop this in. I'll put it on the top then and give it a wee go. Okay, we've snapped our plug back in there. Now we'll give it a wee fire up. There you have it. That's our Missfire now repaired. Next step, we need to clear the codes and pop on the cover. Good job to fit. Okay, so job now complete.